Huh?
All the amount for which we can, as per the law of the Supreme Court, we are entitled for the.
Okay,
We are not.
We'll see that.
oh, keep
That we'll
contesting,
see.
keep contesting.
Please, for the-
The learned counsel appearing on behalf of the parties submit that the amicable resolution to the controversy is not possible.
Please, sir.
Accordingly, prayer is made to list the matter for final arguments, list for final arguments on so and so.
25th March.
No, no, Mr. Jain, I think you're more interested in contempt.
Last time they have taken the data, I.
Please, ma'am. I'll hear that.
Last 2 years.
Today also it can be sorted out. Go outside.
They also try to mislead the court regarding the. fraud.
Nothing.
See, now
nothing
these
missing.
expressions are not, Mr.
Everything
Jain.
is there in the orders. How could I
You-
mislead?
last time you said ki-
Mr. Counsel, please,
I will
sir,
consider-
this is something.
Okay, next.
I'll hear.
Item, next, item 13 and 14.
On the last date, your lordship had directed parties to file their written submissions on, there are about 15-20 applications. I had said, all right, please take up 2 at the outset. From my side, there is an application under 26(9) for appointment of a local commissioner. That is IA 23829 of 23. At present, that is what I'm pressing because, madam, मैं बता रहा हूँ, madam.
इनका they are not part of property. ये property इनके नाम पे है ही नहीं है. ये अच्छी पहले भी इनके बिना वजह से है. और इनके नाम की property
देखिए आपके साथ प्रॉब्लम ये है, आप किसी और लॉयर को एंगेज करते नहीं हैं और खुद आप मुद्दे की बात आप कर नहीं पाते हैं.
हम आपको written submission देते हैं 7/11 का.
The interesting part is, your lordships, that where a submission has to be made when my friend is on the offensive, there very cogent submissions are made.
Also, Mr. Bansal, what is listed today?
So there are 2 matters. There is my friend 7/11. Pleadings are complete, written submissions are filed. I'm ready to argue. There is my 26(9). Pleadings are complete, written submissions are filed. I'm ready to argue. Let us hear these applications. It's as simple as that. It's my friend wants to start with 7/11. I'm very happy for her to do so.
बताइए 7/11 कौन से 7/11 की कौन से क्लॉज में आप कवर कर रहे हैं? हाँ जी, नहीं पार्टली
Supplementary है. As to parent 30.
ये कौन से आइटम 13 में है या 14 में है?
The defendant in this matter.
14 में आप डिफेंडेंट हैं.
As to the para 33 में जो है collaboration agreement amend हो गया था. इसमें rear portion of terrace and garage.
IA, sorry, I'm just giving the IA number. Ma'am, IA number बता रहा हूँ. IA number बता रहा हूँ. 24023 of 23 is my friend's order 7 rule 11. I'm just giving
2,
this a
2,
lordship.
3.
24.
ओके
2023.
Amend हो गया. As to para 30. ठीक है. उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि JS
नहीं, ऐसे तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. ये आधी चीजें तो आपको पता है, आपके माइंड में है.
written submission दी हुई है हमने.
तो मैं पढ़ लूंगा फिर रिटर्न सबमिशन. आपकी क्या आवश्यकता है? Yes, Mr. Bansal, I'll read your written submission.
Right.
Yes, you explain.
The fundamental difficulty is my friend has filed a 7/11 where she has argued her defense. Basically, her entire 7/11 application is that we have lied in our plaint, our documents are incorrect, and her documents, in fact, are correct. That is also her written statement. Your lordships had put exactly the correct question that first, please show in which sub-clause of 7/11 do you fall. Is this a case of no cause of action? Is this a case of barred by law? Nothing is there. The application is silent on that. That might be because it's a petitioner in person or whatever. I don't really know. The simple fact is her entire application is this. And I'll sum it up. Please don't bother looking at it. I'll sum it up. This was a property. Originally, the whole case is about a property and certain portions of a property. That property.
No, what is the suit about?
Yes. So there are 2 suits. My suit, which is today item 14, is prior in point of time. My suit, the limited suit property, is the rear half portion of the terrace above the second floor and a room on the garage driveway. That's it. That is the extent of my suit. In my suit, my entire case was, I'm just taking 30 seconds to explain.
So what is the nature of suit? What
Yes,
are you
the
claiming?
nature of the suit is that I contended that while in terms of the documents, the terrace is to be 50-50 between us, front half to you, rare half to me, you have encroached on more than your half.
Oh.
And therefore, please, if there is an encroachment, give that back to me. Declaration, we are owners of half-half. A written statement comes to be filed by my friend in that, not disputing the title and the factual proposition that the title is 50-50, front half to her, rear half to me. Only contest being that no, I have not encroached. When the Honorable Court sees this position in December 2011, the Honorable Court appoints a then Registrar of the Honorable High Court as an LC to go and do a site survey, saying, let him go and look at it. He'll determine it. Whatever it is, will follow from that. That LC report comes, it's in the pleadings part. It in fact shows and verifies what I had stated, that in fact there is a wall, a boundary wall over there, which on a measurement takes more than half into her portion. Simple as that.
No,
After
and
that,
what is
Now, no, the important thing is after this LC report,
this you are talking about item 14.
which is today 14, although it's
Yes.
prior in point of time.
Mm.
After this LC report
No,
comes,
in 14 now she's moved 7-Eleven.
she is moved to 7-Eleven.
So what are the grounds in 7-Eleven?
Nothing. Her 7-Eleven grounds are, and that's what I'm saying, her 7-Eleven grounds are that this property was originally owned by a family called the Uppals. My friend is the widow of the builder. There was a collaboration agreement by which the builder gets a certain portion, the Uppals get a certain portion. My friend does not dispute and cannot dispute because the collaboration agreement says what the old owner's portion, builder's portion are. She agrees that the Uppals do get the portion that goes ultimately to me. I buy from the Uppals. She is contesting in the 7-Eleven the interstate transfer of title between the Uppals prior to my getting it. Now, the Uppals have not had any problem with it. The Uppals have not said, in fact, the Uppals have repeatedly, and their children, etc., now have repeatedly given NOC saying we have no issues. In fact, the title documents are perfectly fine and we have no issues. Who are you to
You have
contest?
also filed your written submission.
I have also filed my written submissions. The point is, this is not a 7-Eleven. These are not 7-Eleven grounds.
Yes, that's what I'm asking. आप किसी की देखिए ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, अदरवाइज डिसमिस हो जाएगी आपकी एप्लीकेशन. बताइए बताइए.
Garage is not in the share of GS Uppal.
ये तो देखो मैं ये तो मेन दावे में डिसाइड होगा आपको ये
Sitting on dispute.
देखिए 7-11 का पहले तो आपको स्कोप समझना पड़ेगा, फिर आप तभी तो बहस कर पाए. बोलिए 2 लाइन.
अभी फाइट नहीं करे. Ravinder Uppal and Preetham Uppal, they don't have any right title interest in this two property. ये जो Tanveen Sabharwal और तनवीन हांडा के नाम पे है. ये डिफेक्टिव सेल डीड है. This is ये डिफेक्टिव सेल डीड की बेसिस पे हमारे को क्लेम कर रहे हैं. पहली बात. दूसरी बात, कोलैबोरेशन एग्रीमेंट अमेंड हो गया था एज पर पैरा 33, जिसमें गैराज एंड रियर पोर्शन ऑफ टेरेस इट केम इनटू माय शेयर इन 1996. ये 95 के डॉक्यूमेंट पे फाइट कर रहे हैं. उसके बाद इनकी 31 दिसंबर 96 की इनकी फर्स्ट नोटिस इंसिडेंट जेएस उप्पल ने एग्जीक्यूट की थी.
ठीक है. देखिए ये 7-11 के दायरे में नहीं आता, आपको फिर समझाना तो बहुत मुश्किल है. मैं देख लूंगा फिर.
My submissions are on record, Lordship. There is-
Arguments heard, judgment reserved. I'll pass an order.
Yes. Now my 26-9, Your Lordship.
But today one is sufficient today.
रिजर्व आइए 24023.
Can I request for a short date on my 26-9? I tell my lord why.
February.
I have not had access to that rare portion for.
Written submission ले लो.
I have not had access to that rare portion for 2 years.
मेंशन कर देना, आइए नंबर मेंशन कर देना.
हाँ जी.
This poor man has moved out of this house due to the actions.
Property in the same area.
I'm just playing for a short date on the 26th. I won't press it today. This is the only objective is to keep this pending.
नंबर आइए.
जजमेंट है सर. रिटन सबमिशन
रिटर्न सबमिशंस कहाँ है आपकी जो?
फाइल कर रखिए. हाँ ये सर नहीं तो पेटिशनिंग पर्सन नहीं तो दूसरी आई है.
Mr. Bansal, yours is also on record.
हाँ सर ये कॉपी कर
Mine
दीजिए.
is on record.
ये-
Both are filed under a joint.
ये सर ऊपर लिखा हुआ सर.
24023. ठीक है.
Mine are titled.
बाकी
परवीन तरवीन से उन्होंने उनको पार्टी भी नहीं बनाया. जेएस उप्पल की डॉटर्स के नाम प्रॉपर्टी अभी तक के नाम.
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट प्लीज.
ये रिजर्व
Is it Kotma sir? Next date.
दीजिए.
short date, please.
Item 13
We
and
can agree. On one thing we can agree.
item 13 and 14.
कि आपकी लैंग्वेज में हम किसी से वो आगे करा दें, हम करा देंगे। हम आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
I know, I'm so sorry. Again and again, this matter is only delayed. The matter has now been argued, let it be resolved.
ये आपको पहले भी कहा था आप किसी से असिस्टेंस ले
बात से कोई गुंज बिठाए हुए हैं। आप
You know, all these, let us this
ये
resolve.
इसका
Let's
बात
move
कर-
on with something in this matter at least.
ठीक है ओके
21st March.
Sir, Mr. Lordship, very long date. This man has not had access to his property for the last few years.
given January
Some date in January. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful.
23rd January.
So grateful. So deeply grateful.
ये हो गया एक मिनट 13 14 हो गया. Now item 21.
Please, my lord. Applications, my lord, if your lordship's kind consideration. my lord. One is filed by us, one by the other side, DDA, my lord. The DDA application, I don't understand. They're only.
What 21 actually there's somebody appearing for DDA
Mr. Podar had appeared on the last occasion.
Mr. Mishra
No, but who's actually the main contesting party? My lord, they've not filed their.
this will have to go actually to another bench.
Oh, that's all right, my lord. Then would your lordship my lord, consider this because it's a short matter, your lordship, these two applications.
Or
can
if
be
you want
discussed.
some date to be given in January, then in that case, I need not say that to be listed before another bench.
Something in December, my lord, we'll finish this while your lordships. It's an order 12.
List
6.
before another bench after obtaining orders of
No,
the.
but why? Your lordship didn't hear this matter.
No, actually, Mr. Podar's son is with me as LR.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Okay. Then of course.
Another bench of December.
Huh?
December.